back to another video with Sneakers Unboxing with Moy, and today I have the Kybrid S2, so let's get to it. Alright, so this colorway is supposedly called the what though, because it's like really weird to me, but it caught my attention, so it made me want to get these shoes just to see how this shoe looks in person. So let's get the preview and let's open this bad boy up entirely because it does not want to open. Okay, so we have the bottom of the box here, and it says Nike, and then that's pretty much it. But alright, let's see how it completely looks. Yo, I'm loving the box already. Okay, so it says the Kybrid 5, and let's see what else we have. So of course his logo will be shown, of course, and I can't read any of this. I don't know what the hell it says. Okay, so it's Kybrid S2. It says black atomic, pink noir, and black noir, whatever. That's like in a different language, but okay. So there's like some weird Illuminati type stuff right here. Honestly, I don't know, but all right, let's see how these look. Okay, so once opening the box, there is just the wrap, plain white wrap paper. Oh wow, damn. Okay, huh, these look kind of nice, to be honest, for some basketball shoes. Bottom part look like some sushi down here, whatever the hell you call that. And it says number 11 on the very bottom of the sole. There's like some scribble, like maybe some lettering on the Nike swoosh on the inner part of the shoe. The uppers feel really weird. I don't know, it's like polyester, like some like leather on the toe box. Okay, so yeah, you can tell right away that on the back of the shoe there is two different like logos, I guess, or like just like emblems, you can say. One has like a triangle, the other one has like a circle with like three like spikes going up. The other one's like Illuminati again. I'm not very knowledgeable on this shoe, but and then on the lacing part of the shoe, on the right shoe has the old classic Nike going with the smiley face, and this one has Lil Uzi's EA UFO right here, and I'll get the close-up for those. And then on the inside, on the insoles, there's his signature. So it's a really nice basketball shoe. I really like it. I like it. And there's a date. It says August 13th, 1967, but it just says 67. And it says Elizabeth on the right one. And on the left shoe, it says November 23rd, 2015. It says Azuri. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but these are really small details. There's also some lettering right here on the midsole on the left shoe. And it's like cheetah print or like camo print. Why did I say cheetah? So it was like camo print on the right shoe with some like tie-dye. Oh, I didn't even notice this. This is really nice. This Nike swoosh right here. And on the inner swoosh, there's like the flowers. I'm not sure, but on this one it's just like a print, like a screen print, and this one is just also a screen print as well. This one has like a tree pattern to it. It's like polyester. It's like a really thick material, but this one also is polyester, I think, but it's camo now. So those are two different styles that they added, as well as the inner I guess you could say sock liner. I don't know how you say it, but right here where my fingers are, there's two different patterns. There's like swirls and like it looks like an eye, and then this one is just black. Like there's a difference. There's a pattern on here, there's not a pattern here. So looking at the bottom of the soles, of course they're supposed to match up. And I went back to the sneakers app, and what it says, in the spirit of one of the game's most imaginative players, the Kybrid mixes up designs from some of our favorite Kyries, the Kyrie 4 AS, Kyrie 5 Taco PE, and Have a Nike Day, and more. By pulling in so many details that speak to his eclectic personality, this shoe is a true representation of Kyrie's interests and inspirations and introspections. So it's just a mixture of all shoes, all his Kyrie shoes into one. This is my first pair of Kyrie, so I'm not really familiar with the other pairs. But other than that, let me get you some close-up shots of every single detail that I caught. And if you know this shoe, and if you have this shoe, and if I missed something, let me know. But let's get to it. So that wraps up the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that. I will be doing more videos. I'll be doing my best, actually, because I'll always be taking L's on sneakers and Adidas confirmed and all that, and it's just hard to be paying resale all the time, you know. So I'll be doing that once in a while to get a shoe early, and I'll show you guys. But yeah, that wraps up the video, and I hope you guys have a great day, night, whatever. Have a good one.